All right, guys. So how you guys doing? So in this trade, guys, we took this trade with the concept of understanding simple wave analysis. All right. So this buy was kind of confusing initially, but later on we discovered that we're just gonna wait for the market to do what it got to do by confirming and completing a structure. One thing that this trade taught us is that you need to have patience with your setup to play out. We saw this an impulse here, and after which there was a sharp down, a sluggish move, a sharp down. So here at the break of this point, we know that definitely this is a complete structure, and from there you should be expecting a bounce, at least to break this high. So when the market breaks this high, guys, we'll be closing this trade. As you can see, the market is already appreciating over 500. We just took two positions, and 500 plus dollars. So this is the power of wave analysis, and this is what I want you guys to learn, because it will help you to stop reacting in the market. Now, if I should go down to 15 minutes, we saw something crazy, and I was like, should I jump into this trade or not? Now, when this market makes something like this, even though I have marked my pattern and I know that at this point I should be taking a buy. Now, something happened. The market came down like this, and in tagging this point, guys, it starts pushing high sporadically. Now, and I saw, okay, definitely this might be a reaction that I didn't see or consider. So once this market started pushing high, I was waiting to see, okay, maybe there will be a reaction at this point, and there the market will push down. And even though it didn't get to that reaction, definitely the market pushed down, and we now waited to hit the target for our entry. Wave analysis is one of the concepts that we keep your head cool and gives you this perspective of the market even before the market plays out. All right, so and I would like you guys to learn this, and if you're interested, I have this free webinar. I want you guys to learn from, and how to trade wave analysis with ease. Now, if you want to learn this kind of concept, kindly check the link below this or check my bio. You will see the link, and you follow it to sign up for this free webinar. See you on the inside. Thank you.